Today is a powerful day. Today is the day when I pick up the first shipment from China. For money school for the ghetto youth then. We're going to test out one youth to see if it works. So today is the day for that. So people, it's historic. Right? The process is we ship certain product from China, get it into Jamaica, airdrop, and then help out the youth now. This is it. This is the first shipment from China. This is the first trial from China. First shipment straight to Jamaica. It costs $16 to clear this. It's $49 worth of products. The guys that do the squeegee on the cars. The test is to have one of them start with this and make a profit. That is the test. The test is for money school, thanks to Jackie, is to allow them to sell these products and make a profit and teach them how to buy them and make a profit. So we find a different way for them to make money straight from China, okay? So this is the first package. So this is the history now. I try to reduce crime by showing the inner city youths. Thanks to Jackie, believing in what I'm trying to do. Alright. Wait. This is Randy for Jamaica Good Life. I'm with Taji, a youth from originally Kingston, now you're in Mobay. So these are the first youth where we introduced to money school. Thanks to Jackie, we're gonna start this thing with this ghetto youth and see how it works. Talk out loud. This program here, the test for this program, if you say, if we invest in you, can you flip it? Then we'll get more investors for you. Can you be honest? Can them trust you?
Yeah, we can be honest. Honesty is key.
So tell us about you, where you grew up, how it, tell us something about yourself.
Well, me grew up at Portmore, Nagozi, you know?
Nago's Head, Portmore.
Yeah.
So you've been into badness. You've been there, done that.
Yeah, man. Easy way, easy back, man. You see me? And you know what? Whole heap of things, man. But we just go and do it the same way. We could have mixed up in a lot of things, but we not do that. You see me? Whole heap of things come to me. Whole heap of things we walk with, you know? And just still easy work and sitting. But yeah, man. Easy way, easy back, man. You see me? And you know what? Whole heap of things, man, but we just go and do it the same way. We could have mixed up in a lot of things, but we not do that. You see me? Whole heap of things come to me. Whole heap of things we walk with, you know? And just still easy work and sitting. But this way I said to me, I not tell you like, it's a thing I'm thinking about in our day. Like I say, oh, nobody can make a team up and do something. Because originally, I'm sure when me really did think about my stepfather, him have a liquor where, you know, he don't want more strength, see me that way than see this. So this would be a great opportunity, you know, for us. We can do this and we do that at the same time.
Alright.
But me, you know, me just do this, you know,
So Tajay, how old are you?
I'm 29.
So you've been from Portmore to Mobay. The street know you.
Yeah, man.
So if people see that video, would they have any say, see the boy there, make go film, would they any kind of energy like that?
Well, they don't know anything they're going on.
So,
But let me see about that.
but you change your life.
Yeah.
It's like you make a new start.
Yeah, man.
So you feel say, alright, so let me give you the gift. Now this is from a lady named Jackie.
Yeah.
This is from China. The goal is for money school is for you to sell this, contact us, show us your profits. We get you more and we get you more investors. If my brother were there at West Palm Beach, him love the program I do. If him see you put on the squeegee thing. Now people will meet Tajay up on the street today. And I know say you've been through the thing, but as I get to youth, we are trying to save one at a time, no crime thing. So this is the anti-crime movement for Jamaica Good Life. I'm Randy Pottinger. Open that for me. This is a gift from a lady. She spent it for $49, she buy it, and we get $16 for clear it. This is the first set of product for ghetto youths in a money school. For save or no. Now watch ya. These shades, you see it? Are things you would sell. Open it up. And you would sell these things at a markup. So let's say at $3 for $3 for two of them. Two of them US. Can you know the maths? No, open that. So $3 for two set of these, driving or biking, you would mark it up. So with a $50 investment, you'd flip it to about 150 US. It's about trust. So if we teach you now how to buy the products yourself. So you and your sister and your people can start buying them cheap. But you just have to show us, say, yo, Ron, we have progress, you know. You remember when we start out, look for me now, take out the rest of the stuff then. So there's unique products you can buy from China and get it in a Mobay airdrop without customs. This is how I try to teach you.
Yeah.
So that way, it's not have to be a crime, clean glass window. We are trying to show you another way. Marcus Garvey say, if you can't find job, what you do?
Create one.
All right. So if this can't work for you, guess what? It can't work for others.
Yeah.
You see what I say?
Yeah.
So for $150 investment, somebody else will contact me and say, yo, Ron, I want to invest in a Tajay. You see me?
Yeah.
That way, now you're going to say, all right, now put that down. So this is a gift for you to start you out. Now remember, you do the maths, a 50 US and a $16 for clear it. Now look on this. This people is a charger. Open this for me. So there are unique products that sell at this website. Right? And if you and your sister get PayPal, you can buy it yourself. So now Jamaica Good Life Money School just teach you now, hey, you can buy certain charger. So when you wipe the glass then for the people, what you do? Say, yo, I don't just clean that clean glass, now check out that charger, yeah?
Yeah.
So me would know, just text you the price. You see I have the 4 connectors. So I'm gonna text you the receipt. So you have to mark it up. Make your profit. If you make your profit and then eat the money, you don't have no future. You see what I say?
Yeah, man, I understand.
So now there's also lighters, without fuel. So all these, there's another little thing in there. So this, my brethren, is a gift for you. This morning, this is Jamaica Good Life in Mobay. These are the first youth what we are going to support. And we're going to try to see what we can do for Tajay. Because we don't believe, say, them young black youth have to just get killed and cry. You see when people are talking about crime, them not do nothing. For stop it. So this is our initiative. Alright, now look on that tool here. This tool is like a wrench. So you see the kind of thing that you have to sell unique things. When you go to the website for buying the products, buy unique things. So this is a wrench. We fit for any kind of little thing. You see what I say? So with products like these, my brother, then you just say it must sell.
Yeah.
So if you go to me and say, I show you my scroll and say, yo, this is a wrench. How much for it? $1,000. But how much you pay for it? Very low. You see what I say? So now, when my brother see that video, I must say, my brother started. Yeah. So now, I go give him your number.
Yeah.
So I go be able to, you know me, I say, me can't do it alone and I not go always be involved. I will pass you on to other people. You just have to report back to us and say, look, when you give me a start, see what me do ya. If you fail and go about your business, we lose 50 US. It's no skin. I know nothing. But if you succeed, you look for a whole lot more people are going to help you. Because them sister that youth here, him trustworthy, him sell off, him take the 50 US and look what improve to it. When you can video to me and say, yo, Ron, you see the 50 US where you give me? Product done. Product done, Ron. I have 150 worth approximately wrote a cash for me. Do you have a bank account?
No.
Do you have a girlfriend? Does she have a bank account? She probably do. And she can get PayPal too.
Yeah.
So work with her. Because we want to teach you. That's what I say.
Yeah.
Because you see, once we start this and it start work, then other big man and big woman out the road are going to say, you know, I see what Randy are doing now.
True, man.
So then if Randy can, with Jackie can get product for the ghetto youth them, that means that we can do it too.
True.
And that's how we can reduce crime in Jamaica.
Yeah.
You see what I say? So my brother, it's a pleasure because me look for another youth because I tell him, but big up to Jackie and tell her. So what can we expect from you? Can we expect, say, Yago, what do you think? Do you think the products can sell?
Yeah, man, they can sell, man. Product them can sell.
Open the bad box and try on the glasses and see how it look. Take one of them. I remember say about $2 something feet now. Sometimes the price fluctuate, yeah. But when the bike has them,
yeah, man.
Yes.
I put like a glass thing.
You feel the difference?
Yeah, they can look all nice on.
There you go. My brother, I know say you're up on the streets and the thing is thing. People, this is Jamaica, good life. Tell them a little bit about yourself. I'm going to drop you back at the station where you are at work. So now your life is about changing. Why you change your life? Why you decide to come out of a certain liberty?
Only for different things, you know. I think I explain, but you know.
Got it.
Only for different things.
So
some of them just keep to myself because me is a man not to explain to people.
Got it.
Yeah.
So now do you think this will help? Do you think this is kind of like a... Do you think, say, what do you think about this? What do you think?
It's a great idea, man. Because other and better things can come out of the same way.
I remember, you know, brother, once you get successful, you know, say what happens with success. The bad mind I go forward. You saw me, I say?
Bad mind, alright.
So, please, I go get your number. You just have to say, yo, Rad. And if me not there around, I go link you with another Bridget. Come remember, you know, this is the initial investment in you. And enough people are waiting for something that is positive.
So you say 50 US every one of them here.
50 US for everything here, yes.
And you pay $2 for one of them here.
2 something here for one, yes. So imagine each of the glass can sell for 1,000 euro, Jamaican. So about $7. So $14, a $2 investment, a $14 you make. Whatever your profit is, but you know, so when you're up on the street, you have to move fast. So everything has to be concrete, 1,000. You see what I say? And there's 2 kind of Jamaicans. The one who believe and the one who just lose pound. Them a criminal, them a dirty criminal, them for dead. The 2 kind of Jamaicans. People like me and my brother and my supporters them. And a long-term vision me into. I'm not into get rich quick. If we teach you how to do this yourself, then how much product they are China? So why fight against China when we can join them? You see what I say? And I saw me try through Jamaica, so now I have to go through every ghetto now and teach them, and sometimes people don't want to support me because my vision too long term. You see? So this today is epic for me because long
term right now because I quit the 4-year pass, 5-year pass.
What you say now?
Pass. You say nothing again no long term because I've been 4 or 5-year pass.
Alright. There you go.
That's how you're going on.
So people, this is where Tajay work. 1 month you born?
September.
You have a youth?
Like a night.
Alright, good. So you're going to have a bright future, brother. Hopefully this thing here, so I'm going to have a bag in the back. Hopefully, my brother, this will start a new life for you. We're not in the gimmicks and we're not in the... Enough fight me get for do good across Jamaica. You see me? Cause a good against evil. And trust me, I'm tell you, sir. From 2002, from Trenchtown to Mobay, the youth like you, this is a start. It's a blessing from the Almighty. Cause me I try to... When you hear about crime, brother, when you hear about Jamaica, when you hear about Mobay, you know the straps, right? I'm Randy.
Yeah, man.
Take the bag here, so. Brother. We did it. We're starting with one inner city youth, Tajay. And we're going to say, Is a youth with up on the street, and him a go sell them glasses here for a profit, and then my brother. How you doing? Are your son this?
No, my husband.
Are your husband?
Yeah.
Are your man friend?
No, 10 years me and him there for.
What?
Yeah. No, nobody no come between we are we no make no. Nobody come. What you me think of my son?
Good. So we have some products for him to sell,
Yeah.
and then when he make a profit, our fans will make more investment in him. You have to make sure it's in
What
profit.
them here?
These are glasses and stuff from China. We're Jamaica Good Life.
Oh.
We look for Get a Youth for support. So this is 50 US worth of products. When him flip it and make a profit, and shows that he make a profit, the investors will invest more in him. You understand?
So like how much the glass?
This was for two of them, like $3 US for two. So,
3 US.
so you can sell one for 1,000 Jamaican.
Okay.
And then it have different things like lighter things. I mean, charger with multiple ports, right? And then you have different products. So you see the website here? I want you to learn the website here. So you can buy them yourself too. So right at that site. So look on it good and keep the bag here. Because sister, if you get PayPal.
So how much money worth out of the goods is?
So this is 50 US worth of goods. And it
Alright,
takes
it's a 50. Hold on there. Alright. If him a go buy them, where you say him a buy them,
No, never sell them.
him a go sell, him a sell them for you.
Not for me, for himself.
For yourself.
Yeah.
We just invested $50 in him.
Yeah.
I'm a street youth.
Oh, so you just...
It's a gift.
It's a gift.
Yeah.
Oh, so when you sell them now,
Me put them back to 50.
you put one back to 50 US. You buy back with the profit.
Uno can buy it on himself too, but we want him to send us video of him profits. So we can get more investors for
You have
him.
the video also?
Him have him phone. So basically, if him can sell these and make a profit and show us, other people will say, alright, see another $100, buy some more product for yourself.
So each time that's spread about the pan.
You see me? You get the idea now?
Me is a businesswoman, you know.
You have the best woman right here,
So,
brother.
me know about fish. A fish me grew up, you know. I learned to know about business with
Got
fish.
it. So you have the best woman,
So,
brother.
Once you say 50 US, me account how much in there.
Got it.
You
Two
see,
in a one pack.
2 in a 1 pack, so you have to multiply and take away.
Yes, my princess.
So you go multiply and you go take away, because you have to add on your profit with the principal money. The principal money is 50 US. So 50 US how much?
About 7,000.
7,000. So 246. 8, 10,
So you should make
12,
about 143
14,
US.
16, 18. 18. So, how much I take out I fee US? 7,000 fee 50 US?
Yeah. Give me your number too.
Remember your husband getting
I'm giving her. Alright, so I'm Randy from Jamaica Good Life. We always wanted to do this for Get a Youth. If this work and him make profits, I'm not have you on camera. I'm just speaking without you on camera. I have him on camera. If this works and him can profit from this and my fans them say Randy to work, we want to adapt another Get a Youth. So this is to lower crime.